Hi there, Smart Driver. Rick with Smart Drive Test talking to you today about why it's important to celebrate your successes in life. Because if you don't, you're going to end up like my doppelganger here.
You know, we could call in a specialist to find my foot in your ass.
So today, why it's important to celebrate your successes in life. Stick around. We'll be right back with that information. In the last few weeks, summertime, I've had hundreds of smart drivers come back and tell me that they have been successful in passing their driver's test. And I've asked them in response to that what they did to celebrate. A couple of responses are like, oh, I went and ran some errands. Another one was like, oh, I drove myself to work. People, that is not a celebration. Celebration is going to the lake with your significant other, your smoocher, okay? Wind in your hair, windows down, tunes on, cranking out some CCR, badass tunes, driving the car, going to the beach, getting ice cream, going for a walk. That's celebration. It doesn't have to be a huge deal. You don't have to invite 400 friends around, but it's important to celebrate your successes in life. This is vital to your mental health and your well-being and looking at life on the bright side. You must celebrate your successes, and you are never going to be here again after getting your first license. It's paramount that you celebrate this. You're never going to... I can hear the Eagles song playing. So celebrate this. What success means to you is not the same as what success is to me. So you have to define your own successes. You need to celebrate those in life so that you're a happy person and you're looking at the sky partly sunny. Last week I had a friend of mine. She passed her motorcycle license test. I just went out, got a little picture frame for her with a motorcycle on it and a congratulatory card. She thought that was awesome. We celebrated her success in passing her motorcycle license test. Years ago, my first truck driving student, Rigel, had a party, had about 10 friends over, had a cake. It was awesome. Had a great celebration in him earning his truck driving license. So it's important for your mental health. It's important for your well-being. It's important for going through life. You have to do this. Celebrate successes, whatever that little success is. Get your family involved and have a little party. And take note of those milestones in your life so that you don't end up being a crotchety old woman or a crotchety old man.
There's nothing any of us can do. We're all screwed.
This is important to your mental health. This is important to your well-being, that you celebrate your successes so that you don't end up being a crotchety old person, dead-eyeing teenagers. So celebrate your successes. And remember, pick the best answer, not necessarily the right answer. Have a great day. Bye now.